Hey, hi, what's up guys? This is Sheikh Gauss Mohiddin. Hope everyone are doing good, and I'm working as a Regional Director of Operations. For a very prolonged time, I've been looking for a course in HR which is very efficient and very pocket friendly for me. And I'm glad very recently, like 2.5 months ago, I come across HR Buddy. And you know what? By joining HR Buddy, I made a correct decision. So why HR Buddy? You're gonna ask me. HR Buddy is purely one-man show. The trainer, Mr. Anand Ramaswamy Mudaliar, the way he do explain each and everything about HR is something which is very peculiar. He do use his 18 years of vast experience to make people understand what is HR. So guys, don't hesitate. If you want to learn, if you want to know what is actual HR, just give it a try. Join HR Buddy. Trust me, it's value for your money. And the trainer, once again, Mr. Anand Ramaswamy Mudaliar, is doing a very good job, and he's helping a lot of working professionals as well as a lot of students, freshers, to make them achieve their dreams and goals in HR profession. Take this opportunity to thank Anand Ramaswamy Mudaliar on behalf of all the people whosoever has done this course till today. Thank you.
Hey everybody, I am Mamta Upreti, working as a HR professional in beauty and wellness industry with plus 2.5 years of experience. I joined HR recruitment and generalist class to polish my HR skills and upgrade my knowledge. HR Buddy, which is being conducted by Mr. Anand Mudaliar sir. He is not just a teacher, he is a mentor, he is a buddy and a friend to all of us. He has not just bound us with the class, but he has shared the infinite knowledge and experience with all of us that you all can see the confidence in me. He is such a willing and full of vim and conduct the class in such a spectacular way that I request all of you whomsoever watching this video to yoke up and join the classes to upgrade and boost up your knowledge, skills, personality and career.
Andariki namaskaram, ellarku vanakkam. Hello everyone, this is Shrikant Pochraju. I hail from Vijayawada, a city in Andhra Pradesh. I have recently completed my graduation in the stream of BBA HR specialization. So I would like to share my personal experience that when I am doing my graduation, I couldn't learn any practical knowledge. It is very difficult to crack any job without practical knowledge. One fine day, when I'm using my Instagram, I found this course called HR Generalist and HR Recruitment, which is offered by HR Buddy. I immediately took this course. Do you believe or not? I have spent 1 lakh rupees for my graduation. But for this course, I have just spent 5% in that 1 lakh and got immense knowledge which I couldn't get in my graduation. So here I can clearly say that Mr. Anand Mudaliar is teaching us very valuable content which will definitely helpful for you to crack any job which is related to HR in any company. 10 years of experience, life case studies, and the people who are getting knowledge with you in the same course, the community will also definitely helpful for you to increase, to enhance your knowledge. And thank you Anand sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and I will definitely suggest each and everyone who want to make their career in HR, just take this course. You will definitely have a job in your hand after completion of this course. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Sakshi this side. I belong from Delhi and I'm working as an HR from last 3 years. HR Buddy is an amazing platform for an individual to learn and grow in HR. Unique thing in HR Buddy is the tips and tricks which Mr. Mudaliar is sharing with us, and the case study through which he is sharing the knowledge is most useful in your daily working style. I must say I am getting appreciation on daily basis. I would highly recommend to join it. Don't miss the chance. All the best HR Buddy.
Hello everyone, this is Pranali Bagade. Recently completed my course with HR Buddy into recruitment and generalist. I must say that Anand sir's teaching is very interesting. He kept me engaged through live examples and practical training and a lot of humor of course. One thing I like the most about this course is that I never had to force myself into attending the sessions. The sessions in itself were so engaging. I would suggest everyone who is seeking or aspiring or are already in the field of HR to enroll for his courses, and I wish you all the best.
Hello everyone, this is Monali Parasartham today. I did my MBA in HR and now about HR Buddy. So Mr. Murli, he always put the extra in extraordinary, and this is the best thing about him. The bigger the struggle, the better the win will be, and this is the fund of his success. And HR Buddy is the biggest platform for those who want to make their career in HR. And Sir always taught one thing to us. The more you will give, the universe will give you more back, and this is the truth. And he used to say that always compare your professional life with your personal life. You will get the immediate answers. It really works. HR Buddy is the only one of the best reason to be on the top. I wish you success and endless happiness.
Hello everyone, this is Sanjana. I'd like to share with you about my experience from HR Buddy when I had joined HR Buddy for HR Journalist and Recruitment course. So HR Buddy is a good platform for the person who would like to explore more and gain more knowledge about the HR. So Mr. Anand Udaryar, who has vast knowledge about courses, so shares good knowledge and his experience, which provides us more knowledge about the HR courses. So I would like to say HR Buddy is a good platform for persons to gain more good knowledge. And I also learned much about HR courses, that is regarding journalist and recruitment from HR Buddy. Thank you.
This is Rashmi Rekha. First of all, I would like to say about Anand sir's session is that it is very unique and eccentric. He always comes up with different ideas and concepts related to his session and topics related to that. Second thing is that he always says live case studies, which is very informative as well as helps us to gain more knowledge. Third thing I really like about his session is that we always meet different people, we interact with them, we share our point of views regarding to a particular subject, and we build a very professional relationship as well.
Hello Anand, so I am very happy that I have joined your courses. You have given the knowledge which any B-School, YouTube or books can't provide. You have not only given us knowledge about HR, but also you have given many tips and tricks that which we can help to improve our behavior, our day-to-day life, and also our personality. Very happy and relaxed that I had joined your courses because I was very worried about my career. But after the knowledge you have provided us, I am very relaxed and I know I can do good in my career and I can get a good growth in my career. I am very thankful to you that you are giving such a good knowledge to everyone and helping everyone to get a good career. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I'm Talia Malik. I'm from Kolkata and I'm a recruiter by profession, and also I'm a student of HR Buddy. So my motive was to join HR Buddy is to get more knowledge about HR and HR related things. And yes, after completing this course, I know so many things about HR and it is helping me in my career nowadays. I want to thank you, sir, for sharing your knowledge. And also I would suggest to those who wants to continue their career in HR and wants to know about HR deeply, this is the best platform.
Hi everyone, this is Deboshmita Sarkar. I have basically done 3 courses from HR Buddy. Anand sir basically gives us a lot of practical knowledge that is related to HR. He doesn't only teach us but tries to explain each and everything very minutely so that we understand the process, the tricks that we can basically use in the domain of an HR. So I request everyone, if you are seriously trying to be a HR professional, you should surely join HR Buddy, because the way Anand sir explains, I don't think any other person or any other institute, coaching center would explain it to you, and the fees that sir takes is really very less. So I would request everyone to come and join HR Buddy so that you have a very successful future in the domain of HR. Thank you.
Hello, all of you. Hello, Anand sir. First of all, my name is Meenakshi Parashar and I belong to Ghaziabad, and I had a 5 to 6 year experience. And I am very thankful to the Anand sir because her training part is very awesome and different to the other trainers as well. I had 6 years in this career, but I can't see this type of person in my life for my seniors, for my juniors, senior. So I'm very thankful to this sir and all the best for your future HR Buddy.
Hello Anand sir, today when we are in the end of this recruitment and selection course, I feel immensely proud to thank you for all the efforts and hard work that you have put to help us understand the concepts, the practical concepts of recruitment and selection in a very clear and simple manner by sharing your 18 years of experience in a very unique way. I cannot thank you more for all the efforts that you have put to help us understand the concepts and motivate us to gain the knowledge on our own through the different assignments, projects and researches that you have asked us to do, which helped us to build more confidence in us in the practical aspects of recruitment and journalism and more in the HR field. Thank you, sir. I wish you come up with more such courses, and I wish you best of luck for all your future endeavors.
Hello everyone, this is Sai Gupta Chennai. I just want to share my experience in HR Generalist course in HR Buddy. The tutor is Mr. Anand Ramsamy Madhira. He is very interactive and the knowledge he shares is very informative and very beneficial. The person who is willing to get more knowledge in HR, try to enroll in HR Buddy course so that you can get more knowledge than the experienced candidates.
Hello friends, I am Namrata Kashekar from HR Generalist batch of HR Buddy. What to say about Anand sir? The name itself says buddy. He's like a friend, like a buddy to us. I am new to this HR field, but by his teaching method and problem solving skills, I have never felt that this is new topic for me. He is doing a wonderful job for those who are not able to take admissions for MBA due to their financial issues. His knowledge is more compared to MBA studies. Thank you and all the best to Anand sir for his future and of course for future of HR Buddy.
Hey guys, Rahul here. I joined a journalist course of Anand Mugilia sir. I got a good knowledge of HR. You are thinking to do HR, please join Anand Muglia's all the HR related courses. You get the good knowledge of HR in minimum amount and maximum benefit. Thanks to all.